Hello students, good morning to all of you and welcome back again. So in this session we will see the Chaucer to Middle English के जो हमारे 15th सेंचुरी से लेकर शेक्सपियर तक के जो हमारे क्वेश्चन है ये हम प्रैक्टिस सेशन कराएंगे जैसे रैपिड जैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर ओके। तो फास्ट हमारे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे। आंसर मैंने ऑलरेडी ऑप्शन के नीचे दे रखे हैं। एज अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे। कोशिश करेंगे हम 50 या 80 के आगे हम इस क्वेश्चन सेशन को लेके जाएं। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट further delay. So first question, who is universally hailed as the father of English poetry? So the Geoffrey Chaucer is the correct answer. In which month do the pilgrims set out the journey in Canterbury Tales? So the April month. Next question, where do the pilgrims meet before the starting their journey in Canterbury Tales? So they meet in Tabard in the Southwick, option number A. How many pilgrims include the narrator Chaucer make the journey to Canterbury? कितने pilgrims थे? C. That is 31 pilgrims are there. Whose shrine are the pilgrims travel to visit the Canterbury? They are going to visit the St. Thomas Becket. A is correct. Which architectural poetic structure did Chaucer introduce to English verse in the Legend of Good Women? So the heroic couplet को introduce कराते. Option number A is correct again. Which Chaucer work is long narrative poem set during the siege of Troy? So the correct option is A, Troilus and Cressida. Next question. Who is the author of the famous 14th century allegorical poem Piers Plowman? Piers Plowman किसका है? John Gore. A is correct. Next question. John Gore's famous work written in English title Confession Amenities. ठीक है. Next question. Which pilgrim in the Canterbury Tales is described as having gap teeth surviving his 5 husbands? Her 5 husbands, so she is wife of Bath. B is correct. Gap in her teeth of his husband. Who introduced the printing press to England? Printing press किसने introduce कराया? 1476 में. So the correct option है हमारे विलियम कैक्सटन या जॉन स्केल्टन. नहीं, correct option A है हमारा विलियम कैक्सटन. Next question, 12 Sir Thomas Malory famous prose compilation of Arthurian legend is titled Le Morte de Arthur. A is correct. Next question, which of the following author known as the Scottish Chaucerian? किसे Scottish Chaucerian कहा गया? Robert Henryson. A is correct. Next question, who wrote the famous 15th century poem The Bow of Court? So John Skelet is the correct option. The Everyman is a famous example of which medieval dramatic genre? Everyman is belong to the morality play. Next question, the early Renaissance and Tudor prose 16th century के version है. ठीक है. Sir Thomas More Utopias originally written and published in which language? So it is originally in Latin language and later translated. In which year was Sir Thomas More's Utopia published in its original Latin form? So it is 1516. Who translated Sir Thomas More's Utopia into English? 1551 में. देखो पहले वो ओरिजिनली पब्लिश हुआ 1516 में थॉमस मोर का अटोपिया लैटिन में और फिर ट्रांसलेट किया गया इंग्लिश में 1551 में बाय द राल्फ रॉबिन्सन. Next, who printed the first complete English translation of the Bible? 1535. So the Michel Coverdale. Next, which English educator wrote Taxophilus and the Schoolmaster? So Roger Ascham is the correct. Who wrote the book named The Governor 1531, a treatise on the education of statesmen? So the correct option is Sir Thomas Layard. Next question, which poet is credited with the introducing the Italian sonnet Petrarch form to English literature? So B is correct, Henry Howard or Earl of Surrey. Next question, which is credited with the introducing blank verse in English poetry through its translation of Virgil Aeneid? So option number A is correct, Henry Howard, Earl of Surrey. Next question, Tortle's Miscellany, which work the beginning of Elizabethan poetic culture is officially titled Songs and Sonnets. A is correct. Next question, which structural innovation did Henry Howard, Earl of Surrey make to the sonnet form? So correct option है हमारा A. He created the 3-quatrain and couplet structure Shakespearean form. ठीक है. यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स प्री शेक्सपियरियन ड्रामा पे क्वेश्चन. Who wrote Ralph Doyster considered the first regular English comedy, that is Nicholas Udall. Our first tragedy है हमारी गार्बोडक, written by Sackville, not in Sackville. ठीक है. Which text is considered the first regular English tragedy, that is Garboduck is the correct answer. Who were the co-author of the tragedy Garboduck? Thomas Sackville and Thomas Norton. A is correct again. Who coined the famous phrase Marlowe's mighty line that described Christopher Marlowe's blank verse? तो Ben Jonson ने कहा था ये. Next question, which of the following play by Christopher Marlowe deal with the scholar selling in his soul to the devil? So Dr. Faustus is the correct answer. Who is the author of the Spanish tragedy which established the revenge tragedy genre? So correct option is Thomas Kyd. Which university wit wrote the Ephesus, the Anatomy, wit creating an ultra elegant ornate prose style? Lily Green Lodge. So university wits ने लिखा था Ephesus, the Anatomy of Wit. So A is correct here. John Lilly का work है ये. Next question, Thomas Lodge prose romance Rosalind served as the direct source of which Shakespearean play? So it is a As You Like It. As You, Thomas Lodge का prose romance Rosalind, As You Like It. Robert Greene's romance Pendasto was the primary source for which play by Shakespeare? So The Winter's Tale is the correct option. Which dramatist wrote the historical play The Old Wives' Tale? So George Peele, The Old Wives' Tale. The Old Wives' Tale by the George Peele. Who wrote Unfortunate Traveller? 1594. Who wrote Unfortunate Traveller? Picaro's novel मानी जाती है ये Unfortunate Traveller 1594. So the Thomas Nash. Which university wit famously attacked Shakespeare in pamphlet calling him upstart crow? Robert Greene is the correct answer. In which 1592 pamphlet did Robert Greene make his famous upstart crow attack on Shakespeare? So, goat's worth of wit bought the million of repentance. Christopher Marlowe's tragedy Edward II is a historic for being one of the earliest example of English. It is a historical play. Which historical figure act as the chorus and introduce the action in Christopher Marlowe's The Jew of Malta? तो कौन सा historical figure है जो introduce होता है chorus and the action in Christopher Marlowe's The Jew of Malta? So Machiavelli. ठीक है. Elizabethan poetry Spenser and Sidney. Who called Edmund Spenser the poet's poet? Charles Lamb ने कहा था ये. Edmund Spenser का pastoral poem The Shepherd's Calendar consist how many eclogues? तो इसमें 12 इक्लोग्स है. टू whom the Shepherd's Calendar dedicate? तो ये डेडिकेट था हमारे फिलिप सिडने को. ए इज करेक्ट. हाउ मेनी बुक डिड एडमंड स्पेंसर एक्चुअली कंप्लीट ऑफ द epic project Fairy Queen? So the 6th book is the correct answer. Who does the character of Gloriana present Spenser's the Fairy Queen? So the Queen Elizabeth I. What is the rhyme scheme of the 9-line Spenserian stanza? A B A B A B A B B C B C C. So A B A P B C B C C. Spencer wrote Epithalamion to celebrate what event? तो कौन सा इवेंट के लिए उन्होंने Epithalamion लिया? तो it's his own marriage with Elizabeth Boyle. Sir Philip Sidney's Astrophel Stella is historic for being first regular English. Sir Philip Sidney का Astrophel Stella is a historical for a sonnet sequence. Who wrote Apology for Poetry, also known as the Defense of Poesy? तो ये नेट में भी क्वेश्चन था. Sir Philip Sidney. Sir Philip Sidney's pastoral prose work Arcadia was written in the form of a sister, the Countess Pembroke. Next question, in which year was William Shakespeare born in Stratford-on-Avon? So the 1564 is the correct answer. Shakespeare's long narrative poem Venus and Adonis is dedicated to which patron? Venus and Adonis in long narrative poems किसको dedicated थी? Henry Worsley, Earls of Southampton. How many sonnets did Shakespeare publish in his famous 1609 collection? So 154 sonnets. To whom are the majority of Shakespeare's sonnet 1 to 26 addressed? तो fair, a dark lady और the fair youth. तो पहले जो है वो fair youth और बाद में जो है वो dark lady. Sonnets 127 to 155 collection are addressed to the major figure dark lady. What is the explicit rhyme scheme of standard Shakespearean sonnet? A B A B C D C D E F E F G G. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारा हो जाएगा ए. नेक्स्ट, which Shakespearean play is regarded as the shortest comedy? Shortest comedy है Comedy of Errors. Which Shakespearean comedy features the cross-dressing character Viola disguised as the Cesario and Olivia? So the correct option is Twelfth Night. In The Merchant of Venice, Portia delivers her famous speech on the quality of mercy. It is in courtroom scene. Which character famously exclaim all the world is a stage and all men and women are merely pair as you like it, Jacks? Who is the villainous Machiavellian figure who manipulates Othello in murdering Desdemona? So correct option is A. Which Shakespeare's great tragedy is often referred to the Scottish play due to the theoretical superstition? Correct option is Macbeth. What are the name of King Lear's three daughters? Gondrel, Regan and Cordelia. Prince Hamlet's famous To Be or Not to Be soliloquy deals primarily which theme? So existential dread and suicide. Which character served as the comic gravedigger in Shakespeare's Hamlet? So it is the town cloth rustics. Next question 66. Julius Caesar and Antonio Cleopatra are primarily based on the whose historical life? So the Plutarch. Plutarch के वर्क पे बेस है. What source did Shakespeare rely on heavily of his English history play? Richard III और Henry IV का सोर्स क्या था? तो Raphael Holliston's Chronicles. Which Shakespearean comedy feature the magical fairy character Oberon, Titanian, Puck? तो ये आते हैं हमारे Midsummer Night's Dream में. Who is the monstrous Enslaved Island dweller in Shakespeare's late romance Tempest? So the Caliban. Prosperity's famous line, "We are such a stuff as dream are made on," appear in which play? So the Tempest. Which play is widely considered to be Shakespeare's final solo written drama? So the Tempest. Who is the cowardly witty fat knight who appear in Henry IV? The Merry Wives of Windsor. Who is the cowardly wit fat knight? So the correct answer is A. Sir John Falstaff. Which tragic play do the rival families of the Capulet and Montagues affair? Romeo and Juliet. Which character speaks the famous line, "The lung, the tongue, the pain, the license get thee to a nunnery," to Ophelia? So the Hamlet. Who co-authored Shakespeare's late history play Henry VIII? John Fletcher. Critical framework, theatre and contemporaries पे question. 100 क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे. वीडियो को एंड तक देखो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर इन विच की भी ज्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस हो. इन विच ईयर आप धीरे से इसको पॉज करके भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं अगर आपको नया क्वेश्चन लगे तो. इन विच ईयर वाज द फेमस ग्लोब थिएटर बिल्ड? ग्लोब थिएटर बिल्ड हुआ था 1599 में. व्हाट कैटास्ट्रोफिक इवेंट हैपेंड टू द ग्लोब थिएटर ड्यूरिंग द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ हेनरी VIII? तो क्या हुआ था? इट्स बर्न ड्यू टू द थेरोटिकल कैनन मिसफायर. Who published the historical first folio of collection Shakespeare's play 1623? So John Hemming and Henry Condell. How many Shakespeare's play were preserved and published the first folio 1623? तो कितने प्ले पब्लिश हुए थे 1623 में? तो it is A, that 36. Which famous play by William Shakespeare was deliberately excluded from the first folio? फर्स्ट folio में कौन सा वर्क नहीं था? तो वो था Priceless Prince of Tyre. Next, who wrote the famous prefatory poem for the first folio containing the tribute line, "He was not of an age but for all time"? Ben Jonson. What critical term did John Keats coin to describe Shakespeare's unique capability to exist within uncertainties without reaching for fact? So the negative capability. Which 17th century critic wrote Short View of Tragedy 1692 criticizing Othello? So the correct answer is Thomas Rhymer. Who wrote the pioneering neoclassical critical preface titled Preface to Shakespeare? So Samuel Johnson ने लिखा था 1765 में. Which romantic critic wrote Characters of Shakespeare's play 1817? किसने लिखा था? रोमांटिक क्रिटिक थे वो. कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर के प्ले तो विलियम हैजलिट ने लिखा था. Who wrote highly influential psychoanalytic essay on the knocking at the gate in Macbeth? तो ये लिखा था हमारे थॉमस डी क्वेंसी ने. A.C. Bartley's cornerstone work of 20th century character criticism is titled Shakespearean Tragedy. Which critic wrote The Wheel of Fire 1930? तो ये लिखा था J. Wilson Knight ने. Who wrote the critical essay How Many Children Had Lady Macbeth? A. Lacy Knight. Corellian surgeon revolutionized 20th century Shakespeare study. Which text? The correct option is A. Shakespeare Imagery and What Tell Us. Stephen Greenblatt Renaissance Self-Fashioning 1980 is the new historicism. Which British school of criticism led by Jonathan Dollimore and Alan Shinfeld? Correct option is cultural materialism. Who is the author of Shakespearean Stage 1970, a vital historical reference work? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा हमारा ए, एंड्रयू गोर. Which Shakespeare's contemporary playwright wrote the satirical city comedy Chest Maid is Cheapside? So Thomas Middleton. Who wrote the dark Jacobin revenge tragedy The White Devil and Duchess of Malfi? John Webster. Which playwright wrote the Showmaker's Holiday, a joyous depiction of London? That is Thomas Dekker. Who wrote the highly controversial tragedy It's Pity She is Over? तो जॉन फोर्ड का वर्क है. Which dramatist wrote Every Man is Humor, popularizing the comedy of humor? Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson masterpiece Walpole. What does the name of protagonist Walpole translate? So the Sly Fox. Who wrote the monumental prose work The Anatomy and Melancholy? It is by the Robert Burton. So the 100 questions are here, guys. ऐसे अच्छे क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए मुझे मोटिवेशन के लिए लाइक करना जरूर. ठीक है.